Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the plan with me for March. Now I know March is already done with. I'm kind of going in arrears. I've been filming my bullet journaling for quite some time now. April was the first I decided to actually put up, and currently in South Africa where I live, we're on a 21-day lockdown. We are not allowed to leave the house except for the essentials. So yeah, basically I decided to go through my old videos and edit them and put them up for you guys to see. So as you can see here, it's just a newspaper theme for March. In Afrikaans we actually say Maart. March is called Maart, and you'll also see over here where I'm writing for the newspaper, for the monthly calendar. It says Nuus, so it's Maart Nuus, March News. So that will be my monthly. And then what I do is I fill it out with the little scribbles and a few blocks to give it kind of that column feeling that the newspaper have. So the idea here is to basically, for example, if I've got something on the 4th and the 5th, I'll write it in, and then at the end of the month when I'm done with, I'll fill up the blocks with pictures or scribbles or whatever in the open blocks, basically where I haven't had any events or anything going on, and then hopefully it will turn out and look like a newspaper. Okay, then for my mood tracker, I've also got the same idea. It's just going to be a page from a newspaper, and then basically I'll fill out whatever I've drawn in the little block above the mood I'm feeling, and I hope that in the end it'll also have the newspaper feel to it. I kept the little blocks in pencil. I'll just rub that out later to give me a reference for every day's column, as if I can put it that way. Okay, sleep tracker, nothing fancy about that. It's just I'll start marking at the time I'll go to sleep until I wake up. So it's just going to be a straight line to check the hours and if I'm sleeping sufficiently. Over here I have my habit tracker, and then next to it I've got my goal page for the month. I created it so that it has to look like a kind of a bullet board. So kind of the newspaper clippings pasted on it, or stick to it basically with thumb prints. Is it thumb tags? Something like that. Excuse my English, or if I forget something, please excuse me. I am Afrikaans. English is not my first language, so yeah, please forgive me. But yeah, so hopefully the goal page will look like a bullet board. every month I also do my memory page. So I write down the little things that happens through the month in there, and nothing new for this month. So actually for the spread, this is just going to be a newspaper. I'm also gonna write it in the column style, and hopefully it will look like somebody is sitting reading his newspaper with all the little things that happen through the month, and maybe a picture or two. And then for my weekly, I want this weekly spreads, the whole of March, I want to look like a newspaper. So I want it to look as much like a newspaper that you're flipping through that I possibly can. So what I've decided is to do my whole month in two columns. I'll write my week and my day, and just continue through as I go along, and then hopefully in the end it will look like a newspaper. But yeah, enjoy the flip through. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.